How to log in into CIBC online banking account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for CIBC online banking and log in further. Tap on the very first link that appears. You will be led to the login portal of CIBC. Go ahead and enter your card number and tap on the Remember This Card Number checkbox if you want the device to remember your card number, and further enter your password, and just in case if you have forgotten your password, then go ahead and tap on the Reset Password option and reset your password and further enter your password. Once entered, tap on the Sign On button, and with this you will be signed in to CIBC successfully. And just in case if you do not have an account, tap on the Register Now button and register yourself to CIBC. So this is how you can log in to CIBC online banking account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.